In the previous video, we built a simple quiz app where the user selected a programming language from a radio button, and the app checked if the answer was correct. We used Gradio's radio input component to handle that. In this new video, we'll be creating a different kind of interactive app. This time, we're going to use the CheckboxGroup input, where the user can select multiple options. The app will then display their selected favorite colors. Let's dive into this new example and see how it works. Let's start by making the first change to the input. We'll use the checkbox group to allow users to select multiple colors from a list. The available options will be red, blue, green, yellow, black, and white. Now, let's also modify the output. In the output, we will display the selected checkbox values. Now let's run the app with the updated interface. This is how the interface looks. Let's update the function to reflect the changes. First, we change the function name to favorite colors and update the parameter to selected colors. Then we'll use an if statement to check if any colors were selected, and if so, display the selected colors. If no colors are selected, we'll show a message saying no colors were chosen. After updating the function, we'll connect it to the interface and change the FN to favorite colors. Now, let's run the app and test it by selecting colors and see how the output reflects our choices. After that, I selected a few options, clicked the button, and saw the results displayed. I hope you found this example useful, and in the next video, we'll explore another feature. See you then.